Testing the audio. It should be good because I've tested this before. Hello, you. This video is specifically for you. Thank you for being part of my Patreon community. Today is hashtag Thank You Patrons Day, and I wanted to send you a little kind of personalized video message from the bottom of my very, very stressed heart right now. I'm very stressed. I want to thank you. It's because of your support that a lot of pressure disappears off of my shoulders, head, back, whatever. You enable me to create more free content on social media, on YouTube, educational stuff, tutorials. You're not just helping me, but with that, you're also helping other people that are learning. So seriously, I just want to thank you. That's the whole point of this video. I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm very aware that I look like a panda with like big shadowy eyes. Also, I just realized for the first time using this phone, and I've had this phone for a while, I can actually see my reflection in the white back. And that lighting's better, and that lighting's bad. Totally irrelevant to this video. But yeah, sincere thank you. Appreciate you being here. I'm off to Brussels tomorrow morning, early for 2 days, 2 workshops for the YouTube pop-up space. Then late at night, I get back to London, and then early morning the next day, I'm off to Australia for 7 weeks, which is going to be exciting. If you have any videos or blog posts or whatever that you'd like to see me make, please let me know via this direct communication platform, and I'll add it to the list of things that I'll be making. So that's that. Thanks again from the bottom of my very stressed heart, and I'll see you very soon, hopefully. Thanks.